So this is the motor we're gonna replace. So it's still in the assembly. When you look at this, they have half-inch shaft, right? They have a half-inch shaft. That means the shaft that is holding the wheel and the motor. But there's one important tool I want to let you know. This pulley, we call it puller. This puller will help you to easily, without destroying the blower wheel, pull the motor out from the blower wheel. This puller can also help you to pull the motor out of the condenser fan blade without destroying the shaft. You know, the most important part, one of the most important part when you are replacing your motor should be the shaft. When the shaft is destroyed while you are trying to pull the motor out, you cannot replace neither the fan blade or the blower wheel. So you have to replace it, except you want to replace both the fan blade and the motor, or the motor and the blower wheel. When I talk about the wheel, is this one. So have carefully use this tool to pull out the motor that is bad from the wheel, okay? And be very careful with this channel lock. When you are placing this tool here, be careful not to destroy where you have your channel lock. Okay, so that's one of the most important tools. We have some other tools that we're gonna use. The next thing we have to do is to take out the bolts that attaches the motor on the wheel. We have to take out these bolts. So for us to take out the bolts, is 3/4 bit. This one works with the 3/4 bit. So just have to put the bolts and the washer safe, because you're still gonna use it in the new model. Okay. So at this point, we rotate our assembly, and we're gonna use our adjustable wrench. Use our adjustable wrench to take out the channel lock, what holds the shaft of the motor and the blower wheel. Okay. Now, looking at it, you will see that it is actually bone. So there's that tendency that we can just pull it out, but we don't want to damage the wheel, right? So we'll just go ahead and use our puller, right? Let's use our puller. So we should save ourselves from stress. So we just have to screw it back. Then you try to open these other ones that holds the wheel. Then you place it inside. See, too big. Can we open it more? So this is how it looks like. This will sit inside here. Like I said, be careful of this bolt to destroy the channel lock, okay? So what you're gonna do, place it and we screw it. So I have to use your adjustable wrench to tighten it well. Make sure that it's well secured. When you look at it, this pulley is now well secured on this way. So what we need now to do is just to screw this. I will still use our adjustable wrench. As we are screwing this in, is pushing the motor out of the wheel. Okay, you can use two adjustable wrench if it's too tight, but this one is not too tight. So when you just screw it like this, it's pushing it out. It's screwing against the wheel, and the top of it is actually on the shaft. Okay, so it's pushing it out. Look at what happened. This it is out. So it's very easy. That's how easy it is to use your puller in order to replace your motor, be it a condenser fan motor or a blower wheel motor. It's very easy. That will avoid you using hammer, like hitting the shaft. And when you hit the shaft and it's have like a scratch, the motor will not come out. So at the end of the day, you might replace the wheel with the motor, right? So you have to be very careful at that point. So we remove back our puller, so that we are done with that. Now what we have to do next is to remove the bracket. These are the bracket. Okay, use the bracket from the assembly. So you just screw this thing out. Okay, at this point you can carefully out the bracket from the old model. Okay, so this is the bad one. So let's bring in our new model now. So we're gonna carefully put our bracket back into this new one. I think this one should open more a little bit. We bolt it back to the assembly. Okay, so always learn how to save the bolts, because if you misplace the bolts, you're not going to have the same bolt. We need now to adjust our wheel, to centralize it so that it shouldn't have any contact with this assembly. Okay, with the housing. So we put back our channel lock, lock it. Next, we use our adjustable wrench and make sure that it holds it tight. So now when you rotate it, you see it's not touching. You see how it's rotating, right? So that we are done with the replacement. Now we have to take it back to the air handler. We slice it in, connect it, and turn on our unit, and make sure that everything is well tightened. So at this point we take it up to the adit and set it in, and we are done. So the same way you push it out, that's the same way we're gonna push it in, okay? And then we'll screw it here, make sure that it's locked there. So push it in. Here we go. Nice running. So just put these ones here. We're gonna use a zip tie to attach it, okay? But that's okay. I'm just gonna use a zip tie and attach it on the bracket. So that's the unit. It's running perfectly. So beautiful people, we are done for today. That is how you can safely replace your blower way motor using this puller. Very important tool. If you like this video, please subscribe and you hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much. This is your guy Projo. Bye.